Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney. Today I am so excited because I have been seeing this company Temu pop up everywhere. From other people doing all these really awesome hauls to Super Bowl commercials about it. I was really intrigued, and when they reached out to me, I was really excited to kind of try them out and see what they're all about. So what they are is they are an online marketplace that offers competitive prices and categories of items ranging from home decor to craft supplies to pet supplies to you name it, they've pretty much got it. Now, one thing I really like about it is number one, you get free shipping on all your orders. Number two, they do have a 90-day return policy where you can get your money back, and they have an app which makes it really easy. So you can go online or you can go on the app, and they've also been generous enough to give me a 30% code for you guys to try them. So I'm going to show you kind of my haul, what I picked out, how I'm using it. I mean, I'm telling you, I got a random smorgasbord of stuff and I cannot wait to show you. So let's dive into the video and check out my haul. I'm going to kick off the video with some of the florals that I picked up from Temu. So this very first one is a 6-piece mini potted plant set that came in at $7.49. These are the perfect size for tiered trays, for bookshelves, just to embellish anywhere that you might have a little space. They're also great if maybe you're giving a gift basket to somebody and you need to just add a little something extra in there. You certainly could embellish these by adding some ribbon to them, or maybe a little bling if you wanted to, but definitely a very good price point for what you get. Next up, I picked up 2 different color bundles of these peonies, and I have to say they're very pretty in person. I kind of have this like peachy color here and then a more light pink. They're very substantial in weight, I guess you could say, and the leaves, they actually have a really good green color. I know some of the greens can get kind of fakey, but these actually give off a really nice color. These are definitely great, again, for any kind of DIY, just putting them in a vase or even just cutting them apart and maybe embellishing a gift. That would be a great use of these flowers. The last floral piece that I picked up was a 70.8-inch garland that has these little baby's breath flowers in it. It's got some darker roses along with some pink roses. And honestly, these are really pretty. I feel like if you maybe worked in some fairy lights into this would be a great centerpiece for bridal showers, wedding showers, even weddings. You definitely could also use it in spring DIYs, coming in at $14.99. I feel like it's a very good value for what you get. So definitely impressed with their garlands. Moving from the florals into the greeneries, I got this 12-piece of 15-inch eucalyptus leaves. They are separate. They've got wires on the bottom, which makes them really nice working with DIYs. The leaves are really thick, and these cost $4.19 for the bundle, which I feel like is a fair price just because they seem a little more substantial than some of the other ones that you might pick up at other craft stores, but definitely a very good quality. And I really do like how it's wired like this so that you can kind of just work with individual sprigs and not have to use the whole bundle and like rip them apart and cut them apart. So it's nice that they're already separated. The next item I picked up is actually something I picked up for my son's room redo that I'm working on right now. And talk about a bargain. So these are 25.5-inch long Ginkgo pieces that you can kind of separate out the leaves. You get 5 pieces of these for $1.19. Okay, like that is a great price. And like I said, yeah, I think I shared my son's room walls are green, so when I saw these I thought, okay, these are going to be a great little thing that I can put in there for his room redo. But I'm telling you, like, really great quality, and for $1.19 for 5 huge pieces of this, that is a steal. The last item in this little grouping is this LED lit up branch. So what you do is you put in 2 AA batteries and the branches light up. This is $3.99, and I feel like this would be great if you grabbed a couple of these and just set them in the vase, just kind of have a nice little ambiance at night. Again, perfect for weddings or bridal showers. You could pair this with some florals. You could use them at Christmas time. This would be a great piece to kind of work into your Christmas decor, but definitely a great price, and again, really sturdy. So I'm excited to use this in my decor. Next up is a slip cover for a throw pillow. So this one right here kind of has 2 different designs, I guess you could say. On one is kind of that whole Jacquard style. The back is striped, and y'all, it is really, really soft. So the fact that it's zippered, which means that you can cover a pillow, throw it in the washing machine, wash it, and they have tons of different colors, so you could change these out with the seasons. But y'all, it's, I mean, I'm telling you, super, super soft. And yeah, I think I'll be getting several colors of these. If you are short on storage space, then this little wall hanging basket might be something that would work for you. So they advertise it kind of as like a college dorm room, which would be great because I do have a senior this year. She's going off to school. It doesn't take up a lot of space. So maybe if you only have a closet, you could put several of these in there. This would be great for storing yarn, storing florals if you need to organize that kind of stuff. The sides have little pockets that you can put items in, and it even comes with the hook that you attach to the wall to hang it up, which is really, really nice. So $4.99 for this. It's actually very sturdy canvas material. I think it's a great deal. Picked up some different storage items. This nice little hook here that you can slide on a shelf, or inside your cabinet you could hang mugs on it, or I was thinking in my craft room, I've got different specialty scissors that I thought this would be a great place. I could just kind of hang them and keep them kind of to the side. So they've got a lot of different storage pieces to check out at very good prices. Got some great cleaning items for you. So this 5-piece set of microfiber cleaning rags, they are kind of reversible as far as colors. So if you're feeling gray one day or green the other, this 5-piece set only cost $1.19. Okay, $1.19 for 5 really thick, nice quality microfiber cloths. You can never have enough cleaning cloths, let's be honest. So definitely a great bargain if you ask me. Now, as I was browsing through their site, they had tons of vases. This was one of the fun designs that they had. Now, it is plastic, but I'm telling you, you wouldn't be able to tell. And when I saw it, I thought, you know what, that would be so pretty if I spray painted it gold. I mean, you could do all kinds of DIYs with some of the vase choices. They had a ton, like whimsical ones and modern ones, farmhouse ones, lots of options, but this one was $1.49, and I feel like it's a great value. It's, like I said it was plastic, but it's a very thick plastic. Like, it is not like cheapy plastic. So definitely check out their vases if that's something that you like to decorate with. When I got to the kitchen section of Temu, I was overwhelmed. There were so many items to choose from. I mean, all kinds of gadgets that would make your life easier, fun things that just, I don't know, you feel like those items where you're like, I don't really need that. But then when you get it, you're like, why haven't I had this my whole life? But there's one thing that I saw, because I've been seeing them pop up over social media, and they were kind of expensive. But when I saw it on Temu's website, I was like, I've got to get that and try it. And that is an electric lunchbox, okay? It was the most expensive item that I picked out at $35.49. But it comes with this really cool lunchbox that is insulated, and it comes with 2 different types of cords. So to heat up your lunchbox, you can put it in the car. So if you're someone, maybe you're a salesperson who's constantly in your car, or maybe if you're like me, where one day a week I am constantly running errands from morning until the afternoon, I just slam it all out in one day. Typically I'll grab fast food, which isn't always the healthiest option. So this is definitely something that I could do, is just bring a healthier lunch in here. It also comes with a regular power cord. Teachers, this would be a great gift if they don't have time to run down to the lounge to heat up their lunch. But you get your nice little lunchbox, very sturdy. Inside, when you open it up, there is a compartment in here. Let me get it open for you, just like this. It is a 3 little compartment thing to put your different foods in. And then the very top here has a place to put some utensils. So you can put your spoon, your fork in here and be ready to go. So I really think this is, I mean, I'm not gonna lie. When I first saw them, I'm like, that's really gimmicky. But then I thought, there are people who just, don't have the budget to eat out every day and don't have the ability to kind of have a hot lunch and maybe get sick of sandwiches. So I just thought this was a really cool little gadget to try out, and I can't wait to use it. One thing to keep in mind about Temu is if you need to pull together like maybe a big gift basket, or you're wanting to gift somebody a really nice themed basket, they definitely are a place you want to look. So that's what I kind of kept in my mind with Easter baskets coming up, stocking stuffers also. My daughter and I recently took a dumpling class on how to make dumplings, and so I found this little dumpling press that on their website, which I thought, okay, definitely putting that in her Easter basket. And then they had the little dumpling plate where you can put the sauce and hold the dumplings. So for a little over over $4 total for both of these items, I will be able to put this in her Easter basket, and it just, I don't know, it just really adds value to the gift that you're giving. 2 more items that I picked up with my other daughter Easter basket in mind. So this is an avocado slicer. She absolutely loves avocados, and so I saw it and thought, okay, that's really cool. So I got her that for her Easter basket. And then she also loves boiled eggs, and so it comes with 2 different ways that you can slice the egg. You can lay it on its side and have it this way, or you can put it on top and slice it down that way. So I think she's gonna have a lot of fun cutting her eggs in different ways. Okay, snagged up this little oil dispenser for $6.99. It even comes with a little funnel to help you fill it. And I'm gonna put my avocado oil in here, and then it just spritzes out, which is really nice. So glass on the bottom, stainless steel on the top here. Definitely great quality for the price. Next up, I couldn't resist this. It's a 10-pack of spoons, and it's called fruit spoons. You're probably thinking, okay, spoons, big deal. But y'all, they look like shovels, okay? You've got 2 different spoons here that look like shovels. These would be great for so many things. Number 1, you could use them in DIYs. Number 2, you could use it kind of as an accent piece if you pull together maybe a summertime themed teacher gift or a coworker gift or whatever kind of gift. Use this as just a little accent to throw in there. You could do some really fun like chocolate dipped fruits on them. So many options. I mean, they were just too cute to pass up, honestly. So this is one of those items where I was like, oh my gosh, too cute, gotta have it. Next up is a little storage basket that could work in the kitchen, or actually could work anywhere that you have a shelf to put it on, so maybe your craft room. It's this little basket that you can slide on to your refrigerator shelves, or like I said, a bookshelf would work, and it is expandable, so it kind of keeps it tucked and hidden under, but gives you that extra storage that you might need. Now, I love a good mug, and I love to throw those mugs in my gift drawer just to have for quick access, and I couldn't resist when I saw this really cute bear mug. It is double insulated, so you can put hot or cold items in this. Super cute little mug. It's got kind of the little bear head inside of there, which I think is really, really cute. And yeah, I, just couldn't pass up this little whimsical mug. Next up, this little contraption will solve 2 different problems. I don't know if you're like me when you're cooking and you've got that lid and you just need to stir for a minute, but you don't really have a place to put the lid and you don't want to put it on your counter. This little thing right here will give you a place to put the lid of your pot along with the cooking utensil that you happen to be using. So it kind of serves dual purpose. A great little contraption. Doesn't take up a lot of space, but definitely gives you a safe place to put that hot lid so that you're not damaging your counter or your stovetop. Here's something that everybody could use for $1.19. It is a toothpaste roller. Now, if you're like me, I absolutely hate trying to get the toothpaste all the way down, and I've had one and then it got lost and I don't know what happened to it. So I'm excited to get this back on my roll of toothpaste. You just stick in there, roll it, and then it's no problem getting the toothpaste out. So this is one of those little gadgets that you definitely need in your life. Next up, for 79 cents are these little plastic storage boxes. I saw these and thought these would be great for my little tiny beads, sequins, anything like that. Sometimes I open little tiny packs of glitter and it would be a way for me to contain that. So I thought these would be great for craft room storage. Also, you guys know I love to work with the faux sprinkles, so definitely will be using these to kind of help store those as well. Now, sometimes you just need cute stuff. Now, this is actually, I think, advertised as a nursery light, but I saw it and thought, okay, that is just too cute. It is a little light up pear light that you can plug in. It changes colors. My daughter's going off to college, so I actually thought this would be a great just kind of little light to have in her dorm room that wouldn't be too bright, but she could just kind of have fun with it. And I mean, who doesn't like a cute little pear? So definitely lots of cute little items like this in the website for you to check out. Okay, now here this is. Any ideas what this little thing is? It's not a hair pick. This is one of those little gadgets to make your life easier. You stick it in an onion and then you can go down and get some really nice, perfectly sliced onions. I know, it's one of those little kind of gadgety things, but you know what? It's actually a lifesaver if you ask me, because I am not a fan of chopping onions. So I definitely will be using this quite a bit in my kitchen. I had to peruse the pet section. As you know, I got some new puppies and I grabbed one of their round calming donut beds. I got an extra large for $11.49. Those beds are super pricey, and I have to say it is so soft. The puppies absolutely love it, and it's really big, so they can definitely grow into it. And yeah, I'm very happy with it. It's easy. You can just throw it in your washing machine, give it a quick wash. Very well made. Yeah, definitely happy with the price point on this one for sure. And at $2.99, I had to pick up a little chew toy because you know what, they're destructive. So I grabbed this cute little kind of tug-of-war dog. It seems pretty sturdy. It's got a little rope in there, a little squeaker. So definitely a good place to buy some dog toys for a great price. Next up is 16 feet of LED color changing lights. I saw these and thought, okay, these could be really fun. I thought about maybe adding them to my bookshelf, but then I thought, you know what, I might put it on the back of my TV, or better yet, I'll probably put it on the back of my son's TV as part of his room redo, and you just control it with an app, which is great. So definitely a fun thing to add to any type of room for $3.99. You can't beat that price. If you have a party coming up and you are in need of paper goods, make sure you check out Temu. I picked up this little pack of happy birthday plates. My oldest daughter's birthday is in July, and these were only 79 cents for these really pretty rose gold happy birthday plates. So keep them in mind when you're shopping for all those paper goods. With the travel season coming up, if you love oil diffusers, or maybe you have to travel with a humidifier if you have small children and that's just something you travel with, they did have this little mini, it's a humidifier, also an oil diffuser, for less than $10. They had a couple different colors. You could set it in your car if you wanted to, or again, travel with it. Comes with a little charging cord for you to use, but definitely a great little piece to add to all of your travel essentials. That wraps up my Temu haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am really excited to be using all of these things that I got, and I definitely will be placing more orders with them. Don't forget, you can shop with them on the computer or on the app. You can download that and use the 30% off code that they provided me. All the information will be down below in the description box, so you can check it out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye.